Don Valley Pork's been around for 15 years, and this one's growing now from a single shift operation. Several years ago they started a second night shift slaughter. Over the last 12 months we've built a new slaughter floor process line, and with that we've been looking at different ways to increase production through the boning room. We now process between 300 and 500 bacon a day in the boning room for supermarkets. And that involves quite a bit of bandsawing, cutting carcasses down into stuff like racks and trade middles. So it's a lot different to beef or mutton where you're boning it out. On the bacon it's more bone-in cuts. That necessitates using a lot more bandsaws in the process. When you're cutting so many pieces every day, the concern is always there that somebody's going to cut themselves. We've had one serious accident. The young guy involved almost amputated his thumb. Our view was the blade stops would have completely eliminated that accident from happening. We'd already placed an order to go with 4 BladeStop saws before the injury happened, but it just further reinforced the decision to invest the money and buy these saws. The incident that happened with the BladeStop is a perfect example of why we believe they work so well. The young individual concerned managed to almost run his thumb through the BladeStop saw, but the braking mechanism worked perfectly. The saw did exactly what it was supposed to do. It stopped it and prevented a major injury.
Because I got caught like 2 months ago, and just little, and the saw stopped straight away. That's why the news was like better, man. Saved my life, eh? If that was a normal one, I think it's the best, man. Chop straight away, man. Bam! And the blade was stopped. That's why I keep working at that saw now. It's so good.
The guy didn't lose any time at all. Compared to the previous injury, he was away for several weeks, and he will be probably 12 months rehabilitation. So there's an ongoing cost associated. Whereas this young fella's back operational. Pretty much that one incident would have paid for the saw that he was operating. The body sensing technology is more foolproof. When you've got a camera system or an infrared beam system, you've got too many opportunities for something else to interfere. Between false activations and non-activations with beams and beam technology and camera technology, I'm a lot more confident in the direct sensors. Once you've gone away from the old saws, it's not a question of taking the risk of going back.